Horse conch's kind of beat up. I like to see what's buried around the pen shells. That's where the big horse conchs are usually buried if they've deceased. Ooh. Is this a true tulip or is this just an old banded? I think this is an old banded. Nutmeg in here. That one's in pretty good shape. Periwinkle, alive, maybe. If it looks alive, I'm not taking it. Oh, this orange horse conch looks alive. Oh, it has a hermit crumb. Okay, there you go, buddy. Back to your spot. Ooh. Wow, I love this one. And it's empty. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. So today has been a day for horse conchs and baby ears. That's what I'll say. I found the most of that I actually took with me. Beautiful calico clam. Oh, I thought this olive was going to be alive, but it's not. Look at this lightning whelp. It's not alive, but I'm going to leave it. Back home, and anyone knows me knows I need a good handful pick. I think this is a good combo right here. Some baby ears, paper fig, pear whelks, crab shells, sea biscuit, sunrise Venus clam, rib drill, little banded tulip. Pretty good assortment, I would say.